I had 2 hair transplants and 2 PRP sessions. I came in, everyone was very warm and friendly. They led me into a room with a consultation for Dr. Epstein, and he told me all the positive results that I could get from this procedure and what is tailored best specifically for me and my hair loss. Once the full effect came, you definitely notice you walking by a mirror doing a double take going, oh, okay. And all you're after is the way you looked when you had a full head of hair. You know, when it comes to socializing or the workplace, it's important. And we achieved that with me, and I'm very happy with the results. When I was doing my research, it took me years to take the leap. And I looked at doctors from Atlanta, New York, California. Dr. Epstein had the most compelling before and afters, and with his attention to details, the tools he uses, and his nuance towards every individual patient, you can be confident that you're going to have a very significant cosmetic change for the better.